To switch to a personal account on Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. In the account settings, scroll down and select the personal option. If you do not see this option, it may be because you are already using a personal account, or you may need to toggle between business and personal accounts. If you are using a business account and want to switch to a personal account, you will need to contact Cash App support. To do this, go back to the profile icon and select Support, then Something Else, and type in your request to switch to a personal account. When switching to a personal account, keep in mind that some features may not be available, such as the ability to receive payments for business purposes. However, you will still be able to send and receive money for personal use. To confirm that you have successfully switched to a personal account, go back to the profile icon and select the account type. It should now display that you are using a personal account. You can also check the features and limits of your account to ensure they align with a personal account. It is essential to note that you can only switch from a business account to a personal account with the help of Cash App support. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized changes to your account type. By following these steps, you can easily switch to a personal account on Cash App and start using it for personal transactions. Remember to always review the features and limits of your account to ensure they meet your needs. If you have any issues or concerns, do not hesitate to contact Cash App support for assistance.